Hello everyone, today is Thursday, January 28th, and it's about 20 minutes after the market regular session close. And if you saw the title of today's video, yeah, this is embarrassing, but I have to share it with everybody because it's part of trading, and things like this that happen make us a better trader. You know, I qualified for a funded account, and on the first day I blew it up. And so that happened because I traded somewhat recklessly. I got behind and I tried to make my money back, and I ended up blowing up the account on the first day, and that just shouldn't happen. You know, if you're going to blow up your account, you should at least be a couple of days into it. But anyway, that's what happened. And so, of course, I reset my account, and, you know, again, it's a lesson learned, and what I did differently this time is less manual trading and more relying on the OneupTrader. So I'm somewhat at a disadvantage trading here in Hawaii, as when I wake up and I get up in the morning, it's probably, you know, 11:30 or noon in the market. So what I did is I practiced on a couple of charts. I want to turn the OneupTrader on at a key point, you know, or at a place in the market that's likely to succeed. So when I got up this morning, the market was, this is what the market looked like on a 5-minute chart. Here's your opening range filter, and it looked like it was a trend day. It was about noon or so. There was this pullback here, and so I practiced on a couple of charts with the OneupTrader, just kind of turning it on. And so here was the first chart. Well, actually, this is the chart I traded. You can see it's yellow here, and so these were my two trades. And but I practiced on a couple of charts, and I want to show you those. So this is the 100 tick line break, and on these charts I kind of interfered in these two trades right here. I think I took these manually, and then the OneupTrader took over after this. And so anyway, this hit its goal of 1,000, this template here. And then I let the OneupTrader trade this chart on a regular 150 tick, and I just adjusted the money management slightly from the 500 tick Heikin-Ashi template, and it caught this trade right off the bat. And notice that I have it set to longs only on this chart. And then so after that, I went live with my Leeloo account that I reset, and I traded this chart with a $500 goal and had excellent slippage. And then I made a few trades after this, and basically ended up with about $775 for the day. I made another couple of $100 after this. So again, you know, as traders, it's really hard to outperform the OneupTrader, even no matter what way you use it, whether you turn it on the same time every day, or you turn it on at some point in the day. I mean, you know, there's some advantage to observing the market and then deciding to turn the OneupTrader on, like Trader Jim does, long only or short only. Notice this chart, I chose long only because, you know, I looked at the chart and I could see the market was going up all day and the buyers were in control. And it finally, you know, it did roll over later in the day. But you can see on a 5-minute chart, you can get a good idea of what the trend is. And so this is kind of the 5-minute chart I look at with the moving averages. These are all BWT indicators on here. And so it was interesting watching this decline. The moving average convergence indicator can help you recognize these kinds of transitions And then, you know, if you're a day trader, you know, the pullbacks to the averages are your entries. On the auto trader, you know, the first red bar here, this was quite a move. So the indicators definitely do a great job. So the second part of this video is the live trade that I took. I did record it. There's no narration to it. So right after this video, you'll see the live action. Okay, that's all for this video. No video from Trader Jim today.